Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own custom coloring pages using Canva. Perfect for artists, hobbyists, or anyone who wants personalized designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make beautiful coloring pages that you can print, share, or even turn into a coloring book. So let's dive in. Finding templates. First, head over to Canva's website. In the search bar, type coloring page and hit enter. Canva has a huge collection of ready-made templates covering all sorts of themes: animals, mandalas, cartoons, and more. This is a fantastic starting point because you don't need to start from scratch, and you can find a style that perfectly fits your idea. Template preview. Once you see the templates, hover over them to get a quick preview. Here, you can check how many pages each template includes. This is especially helpful if you want a single sheet coloring page or a multi-page coloring book. Picking the right template saves time and ensures your final design meets your needs. Customization. When you've chosen your template, click Customize this template to open Canva's design interface. Now the fun begins. You can edit text, adjust fonts, change sizes, and modify colors. Simply click on any text box or design element and use Canva's easy-to-use tools to make it your own. You can add shapes, illustrations, or even upload your own drawings to make it truly unique. Don't be afraid to experiment until it looks exactly how you imagined. Once your coloring page is ready, it's time to download. Click download and choose the format that works best for you. I recommend PDF for printing because it keeps all your lines crisp and clear. You can also save it as PNG or JPEG if you want to share it digitally on social media, websites, or with friends and family. And that's it. Your custom coloring page is ready to enjoy. And there you have it. Creating coloring pages in Canva is that simple, fun, and completely customizable. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. I'd love to see your creations, so drop your favorite designs in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.